Good day, everyone. This is Mrs. Genove, your teacher. So for today's lesson, I am going to teach you how to read and spell three-letter words. Are you ready to learn with me? That's great. So now, join me as we have our reading adventure. We are going to read three-letter words. Let us start. Cat. C-A-T. Cat. Bat. B-A-T. Bat. Hat. H-A-T. Hat. Bug. B-A-G. Bag. Bad. B-A-D. Bad. Bar. B-A-R. Bar. Bug. B-U-G. Bug. Egg. B-E-G. Beg. Bin. B-I-N. Bin. Bus. B-U-S. Bus. Bug. B-U-G. Bug. Boy. B-O-Y. Boy. Car. C-A-R. Car. Can. C-A-N. Can. Cup. C-A-P. Cup. Cut. C-U-T. Cut. Dot. D-O-T. Dot. Dip. D-I-P. Dip. Gun. G-U-N. Gun. Gum. G-U-M. Gum. Very good, children! Did you enjoy our reading adventure? That's great! So now, let us have our spelling adventure. So are you ready to spell words? Very good. So let us start. What do you think is the missing letter? Is it letter B? Let us check. Good job! It's letter B. So the word is bat. Let's have the next one. Can you tell me the missing letter? Is it letter H? Let us check. Very good. So let us read the word now. It is hat. Next. What is the missing letter? Oh, it's letter C. Let us check if you are right. Very good, children. So it is cat. Next. What is the last letter of the word? Is it D, G, or R? G? Let us see. Very good. So the word is bag. Next. How about this one? What's the missing letter? Is it E, I, or U? U? Are you sure? Okay, let us see. Very good. It's U. So the word is bug. Next is this item. What do you think is the missing letter? Is it E, A, or U? Are you sure it's letter A? Let us check. Very good. So the word is car. Good job, children. Did you enjoy our spelling adventure? That's great! So I hope you learned something today. Bye and thank you! See you next time!